Hi, my name is Kit. I studied the reindeer. The reindeer lives in the Arctic. The reindeer has really cool adaptations to help them survive in the Arctic. Being large means it's easier to stay warm. They are really good at seeing, so they know if predators are coming. Their hooves help them walk in the deep snow. Antlers help them fight in the wild. Blubber helps them stay warm. They migrate farther than any other land animal. I also learned some cool facts about reindeer. Reindeer can weigh up to 700 pounds. Reindeer live together in groups called herds. Female reindeer give birth in the spring. One reindeer is born at a time. After only one day, a young reindeer can walk on its own. I hope you liked learning some facts about reindeer.